Hi, Nithyanand.
Yes, hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I am good, Nithyanand. This is Aruna from Quality Department. So I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
So can you introduce about yourself?
Yes. I'm Nithyananda from Bidar. I basically completed my BE Civil Engineer from Bheemanna Khandre Institute of Technology from VTU, and I'm here in Bangalore. I used to stay with my brother, and I'm very happy to say that I'm joined to CMTI, and here I got a lot of knowledge related to industry and how it works and how the industrial work is going to work, whole the procedure and all this stuff. And basically, when we call the industrial things and college things are totally different, and industries requires more thing than what we have studied, like this.
Okay, fine. So how did you get to know about CMTI?
From my brother, ma'am. He's an interior engineer, ma'am, and at Creatami Escape, ma'am, at Creatami Escape.
Okay. So which training you had obtained here?
I obtained CACM course, ma'am, but with that I also done IDM course and took the knowledge and going joined to interior designing companies.
Fine. So you took the opportunity in interior designing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what and all you learned in the CHCM training?
In CMTI, I have from the beginning. Uh, like bar bending schedule, sequence of construction, bar bending schedule, and then quantity and quality control and quantity estimations, cut list. When we come to interior designings, AutoCAD and SketchUp, and also cut list and all.
Okay, so now we are having a exposure in construction as well as interiors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So what about our trainer Nithyanand? How was their approach and like entire program?
Yes, ma'am. It was very well scheduled and also a nice trainings. I have got very nice training, ma'am. I came to know about a lot of things which I don't know and which has not been taught in our college also, college at all. And here the training, our your faculty members are so well experienced that they will directly catch our exact doubt, and they will completely they will easily uh, solve our problems and doubts, and HR faculties are also nice.
Okay, fine. So how about Ashok sir? How was his coordination? Like how was his motivation and all? Can you tell me about him?
Yes, ma'am. Ashok sir is a very well and in time person, and also he motivates us a lot. Uh, in within a few minutes, came how the actual things will work, and he also taught us how to schedule ourselves and how to be in discipline, which affects in our daily life and also in our job life.
Okay, fine. So ನಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಹೇಳು ನತ್ಯಾನಂದ್. Like ನೀವು fresher ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So ಈ certified training, whether it is in CACM or IBM, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, ma'am. ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್ ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೋಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ HR ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ? ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ನೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. HR ಟೀಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಈಗ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದಾವೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನಾನ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು CMTI ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay. So, thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback. So, all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nithyananda.